What's up guys, and today I'm gonna show you how I hit 6k days with AI organic dropshipping, and you can literally just steal this exact strategy. So I just use Claude, Polaris and Shopify. Those are basically the base tools, and as you can see I'm still hitting like 6k days here. Here I was doing 10k days and I was printing my own labels and everything. And then it was a supplement, so here you can see the manufacturing line of the 3PL I was running. And right now I also help others do the same. So for example, this guy Theo, within his first 5 days, he hit 17 orders and is literally waking up and making money while he sleeps. So that's just a crazy shift if you've never done like any online money before. And then this guy, he's literally hit his 2k days after 3 weeks, and he doesn't want to be named. But bro, I know you're watching this. You're genuinely crazy, bro. Keep fucking crushing it. And basically watch until the end so you can actually learn how to implement my whole ads automation pipeline. Because you will learn everything in this video that you actually need to hit numbers like this, or even fucking 6k days consistently, or in the positive outliers, even sometimes like those 10k days I had here. So in the very beginning, I'm just gonna kill some of your limiting beliefs. So some people might probably say organic dropshipping doesn't work anymore. And let me just tell you this. Basically, every single day people are buying stuff online. And every single day this demand just increases. Ecom in general just gives you a piece of that cake. And organic dropshipping is basically just ecom with the organic marketing method. So that just means you don't run paid ads. So organic dropshipping 100% does work and will always work because it's a growing market. People buy stuff online every single day from stores that are not like Amazon or something. So what makes you think you can't get a piece of that cake? The next objection is people will be able to tell it's AI, and that's just bullshit too. Because nowadays the video and image models have gotten so good that you can barely tell it's AI anymore, especially with the image models. And this method relies solely on the image models. And then the last thing is I can just wait until the right time. But let me tell you this, like there will never be a better time. There will never be a better time than right now. The image models, etc., have gotten good for a while, and you are already missing out and being kind of late. Like people are already collecting their piece of the cake. And if you wait even longer, you will have the problem that those people will really make it hard for you, and the entry barrier will rise again because the competition has just advanced so much. But right now, the playing field is pretty even because nobody is really implementing AI 100% correctly. And the strat I'm about to show you later on is literally so crazy, and it's a proven, basically an ecom secret method that's nobody running, and it comes from the DTC, like the direct to customer app founder space. And I'm going to show you what they run and how it converts and why it is so crazy. And in this method, AI can literally do 99% of the work. Like you can connect Claudes to both Shopify and Polaris. And this is another beautiful thing because this allows you to create your store fully automatically and also your ads. And the beautiful thing is with that shift, the AI infrastructure has just recently gotten good. If you think about it, before you could use AI to write like school essays, maybe code like some shitty app, etc. But you always needed to do a lot of stuff manually and copy paste stuff in, etc. But right now, the AI infrastructure is starting to get so good that everything is getting fully automated. So what you can do is you can hook your AI of your choice, so Claude, ChatGPT, whatever, up to certain other modules like Polaris, like Shopify, which then do the task for you. So basically, Claude is able to run its own store completely autonomous by just getting access to Shopify and then also getting access to Polaris. So it can generate ads and build the whole store. And that's the exact system I use to hit my 6k days. And really implementing AI correctly is the number one thing that brought me from this, like $1,000 days, like negative on the ROAS, on the ad spend, maybe a couple $100 a week, etc., to actually my 6k days, 10k days, etc. So let's get into the first thing you will need, which is the product research. And let me say this, everyone else is literally lying to you. The people are saying, I need a blue ocean product, I need a winning product. Once I find my winning product, I will print. And that is so incredibly stupid. You like literally look like this. It's so insane that people don't get that marketing is always selling outcomes and solving problems for people. So basically, when you have like I don't know, a person that's overweight and they want to lose weight, you don't sell them, hey, this is my pill. They already have swiped. What you do is you sell them the outcome of being skinny. You say, oh, since I've gotten skinny, my life has like life quality has increased in this way. And that's where they stay. And then the product should basically be like placed as your solution to the problem. So you like basically dive into the problem, explain, okay, this is the problem, it's so bad. So you agitate the problem, and then you say, this product helped me solve it. And if you are able to convince the customer that the product, nothing else, is the reason that you solve the problem, you get a sale. And I'm just going to show how you can do that. And basically, for this to actually work, you always need problem solving products. So let me dive into some examples, good and bad. So for example, bad examples would kind of be like this store, which is just like dresses, which is, yeah, I don't know, really weird. It's not a problem solver. Maybe people buy this, but realistically, I doubt it. I don't think this really makes any sense. And then also, this is also a very, very bad example. It's basically just lamps. Like nobody needs like Jack Daniel's lamp. There is no need for this product. It doesn't solve a problem, so that's kind of why it won't perform. And now something that would perform is this. I'm just going to show it to you. It's a micro needling hair kit, so it's against hair loss. And hair loss is a great problem where many people struggle, and it is a visual problem. And that is the two things that are actually making a winning product with this method, because you need it to be visually appealing so the person can like get a before and after, etc. But also at the same time, you need it to be an actual problem, and this has both. You can literally see slideshows like this always go viral in the mobile space. So for example, you just have like these cars, and then you have these in this case, and it's basically like 1.5 years later, and then it's just the app advertised, which is trip rank, and yeah, easy as that. Or you can, they also do all those emotional concepts of like, oh my god, my wife cheated on me, and then it's like, oh, I drive 500,000 kilometers per hour. Or here also, when a Bugatti Chiron downshifts next to me, and then it's like 1.6 seconds. Bro, it's just this AI shit that always works within the D2C app space, and we're gonna do the exact same, but with another slideshow I'm showing you. So this would be for weight loss, some tips, and then just basically, yeah, that's it. So I think we're just gonna like recreate the weight loss one, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. Like this would apply for a proper normal product. And the great thing about slideshows is that they are actually looking natives, they are not salesy. And you can sell in the comments, which I do a lot too on normal transformation videos. But I have videos for that on my channel already. That's just like normal transformation stuff. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually put the product and incorporate it into the slides in a way that it doesn't hard sell and you don't lose the customer's trust. So everything about choosing the niche I've explained. So you basically need a problem solving product, and it should be easy to go viral. So it should be a visual problem. Think about skin problems. Think about weight loss, hair loss, whatever it is. But those types of easy to visualize things are really good to run. And yeah, in my opinion, that's the only right way to do organic in 2026, because the normal way which most people are running is they run only videos. They take so fucking long to produce. They are less realistic, and they are like upwards of $8 per video, which is just gonna drain you at the start. And they only get medium virality potential because of one thing, one very, very important and cool thing, which I haven't told you about the slideshows right now. So basically, the reason that slideshows have better virality potential is TikTok really, really, really wants people to watch through the whole vid. So now let's ideate what this means. For let's say you have two vids. One is a normal video, which is 18 seconds long. And number two is a slideshow show with 3 slides. So for this, the slideshow, to get 100% watch through rate, the person, the customer watching it, needs to swipe 2 times. And this literally happens automatic. Like the people just swipe through, literally brain dead. Especially if you go ahead and sync it to a sound, like for example with some lyrics or whatever. those slideshows are trending all the time. And for the normal 18 seconds video, you'd have to hook the customer so that he'd watch the whole 18-second video. Like you need such a good hook. You need great bridges, etc. With this, it's literally like zero fucking skill. Like literally every day, slideshows go viral and they are just so like cheaply produced. You know what I mean? And now the only question remaining is how do you actually create this? And I'm gonna go over it and tell you exactly how. So the first thing you need is Polaris UGC. And yeah, this is basically the page I'm always using, and you're gonna go to the prompt generator. And then you have like this weight loss thing here. And it says at the start how I lost 5 kg in a month. We're just gonna go ahead and copy paste this in. And then we're gonna say, actually, copy this one to one but remove all on-screen UI elements. But where it says how I lost 5 kg in a month, make it say how I lost 12 kg in 3 months. Now this is just basically for demo purposes, so that's how we're doing this. And basically this will now just clone this exact image. It will now read the image, analyze it. And the reason you actually need the prompt generator is because this is like some crazy Chinese model. And Claude has gotten so bitchy about what it will and won't do for you that basically it thinks, okay, this is flagging the guidelines, even though you're literally generating the JSON, so you're not infringing anyone's personal rights. And we're basically gonna do this for every single slide. And on one of the slides, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna incorporate our product on the slide and just do some like sneaky take this 3 times a day. So what I'm gonna take as an example product is this Shilajit gummy thing. And then basically I'm just gonna take this image, so it actually seems like you have a reference for where it should put it, because you always need reference images with AI, because otherwise something will just always look off. So I'm just gonna take this exact image and then say, hey, make this like hand hold this gummy package. And yeah, now the first JSON landed, so we're just gonna copy it, go to the image generator, and then put it into GPT image 2. We're gonna do this in 2K, and I'm just gonna hit generate. And so basically while this generates, I'm just gonna like do the next slide. I'm just gonna copy the next one, which is the green tea one. So I'm just gonna actually copy this one for one, and I'm gonna do it for all of them. So I'm gonna say, and then copy this image one to one. Okay, and so this slide I'm actually gonna replace with the product slide, just so I don't have to do the whole slideshow, because you get the gist. It's basically just copy and pasting what's a working concept and what already went viral before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take, not even take this, because I just need the hand holding the product back into the image generator, and then I'm just gonna take the Shilajit gummy thing. I'm gonna copy the image. Um, I will attach it here. I will also attach the hand picture, and I'm going to copy this image too. I'm going to attach it here too. And then I'm going to say, make the hand hold the package from the other picture. And then it will basically generate that. And then of course, if you're actually uploading this, you're gonna put some like caption over it. So you're gonna say, take these 3 times a day, and I don't know, it will help you get more energy so you can work out more. Whatever it is, just basically promote your product in a very subtle way. It's always important that it's subtle, because people don't like being sold to. Great, the second JSON also landed, so we have that too. So we're just gonna do that here too. We now have the first image, so you can see how I lost 12 kg in 3 months. As I said, the captions are kind of messed up, but yeah, just whatever it is. So basically we're just gonna do it like one image by one. And if you don't like the look of those captions, either specify them better, or what you can also basically do is just do them yourself within the TikTok app, which is my recommended way, because that 100% will not mess up the font. So yeah, we have the next one here, which I copied, and then the other one, and then the last one is basically what we have right now. Oh fuck, I actually pressed Control C again. So I'm gonna paste this in, and now all the images are generating in parallel, and we literally have nothing more to do. So I'm just gonna wait till they all like render in, and then I'm just gonna show you what we can do too. So basically, if you don't like the on-screen captions, you can always just press on tweak and then say, Delete the on-screen captions here, please. Then we're just gonna press generate. It will generate another video image. And then you can see this is actually the Shilajit gummy thing. So you can see it looks good. If you don't like something for whatever reason, you can just always tweak it with the tweak function. So you press on it, go to tweak, and that is it. Okay, so now you can see the next image also generated, which is the like bottle image of this slideshow. So it was like right here, exactly. So you can caption this whatever you want. And the most important secret little trick, which you always have to do or can do to guarantee virality on those slideshows, is you need to do the one following single thing. You need to rage bait your audience. It's important that during this you don't kill your trust. What do I mean by this? If you're, for example, running a weight loss thing or whatever, you're gonna say, you need to eat 500 to 600 grams of protein per day. Now, why do you need to do something like this as an example? This will farm engagement. You can also do this on your images. So, for example, you can put like very controversial stuff in the background. So, on this, I don't know, might be weird, but put something very bro, I don't know, put a dildo there on the bed or some shit, and people will comment like, are we just gonna ignore slide 3 because they think they are funny? But in reality, you're just farming their fucking engagement, and then every single of your videos will have a bunch of comments. The comments will actually be a good sign for TikTok. TikTok will push your video way more, and when the video gets pushed, you get a viral video. When you get a viral video, you make a fuck ton of money. So that's your only fucking job. And you can see it perfectly like deleted the caption, so you can just caption it yourself, and the image is literally a one-on-one fucking recreation. Like if you look at this is the original, this is what fucking got created. Like it looks just as real as the fucking original. So yeah, basically you cannot tell it's AI anymore. The slideshows are perfect, and that is the whole strat. And the rage bait is working like crazy. Like you need to apply this. And if you want more free sauce, you can join the community. The link is below. And then also you can book a one-on-one call with me if you need help on other stuff, like for example, building your first store, learning the marketing, etc.